This property is a very old property. It was originally built in the late 1700s. It has been modified over the years and changed from a single-storey thatched residence to a two-storey residence. My clients were very keen to keep the integrity of the building insofar as they were able, and adding on additional spaces to the property. It's a lovely traditional period property. They really wanted to keep the front facade looking exactly like it did, and that was one of the reasons they wanted to go for traditional windows, so they went for up and down sash windows. I think the colours in this property work well because we've kept them quite strong, not too strong and not too bold, but strong in that they're definite. And because we had a lot of painted panelling, I think we needed those little highlights of colour just to create individuality in each space. My clients were very keen to have sustainable windows. They also wanted something that would take weathering. They wanted to have a narrow profile because, again, it's all about the views up the bay on this property. So we didn't want anything too very chunky that would take over. I think that in the windows that the clients have selected, which is the lovely slim profile on this Andersen clad window, I wanted a colour that was old, kind of like an old white. So we got a really nice colour for the panelling that also married with the interior colour that we selected for the windows.